Hi there, it's Mrs. Smith, just here to show you how you can use a website called mathspot.com to upload work if you are using a laptop and you don't have access to a mobile device or a tablet. So if you've got a webcam on your laptop, then this website could become useful. So it's mathspot.com/cam. You'll see the website up there, and it's got a camera function. And if you were to hold up this work, which can be a bit fiddly, but hold it up and then take a photo, it's then saved over here. And if you right click on that and then say save image as, it'll then download. And once it's downloaded, it'll be in your downloads within your file explorer. And you will then be able to upload it. So you've got that as an image, and so when you go into your assignments or you're on your Teams page, you just need to attach that photo from your downloads section. I hope that's useful. Bye for now.